Hi, hello guys, and welcome to the next episode of Avnet unboxing. Today we have in this Avnet box. We have a nice Korenix wireless access point. So let's get started with it. So just for the beginning, quick starting manual with all the basic information about the access point. Then let's open up a bit the box. As you see, this time there's no pink bubble wrap. Let's see what's inside this normal bubble wrap we can find. First of all, here is the actual wireless access point box. Let's put it down here. And then in this another bubble wrap bag, you can see an antenna and also the second antenna. Let's take a close look of the access point. Let's open up. And here it is. And as you can see, it's really solid, good, really nice quality access point box, with 2 Ethernet connections and 2 antenna connections for 5G and 2.4G wireless access. And also in the bottom there's a DC socket for the power, and also DIN rail mount on the back of the wireless access point. And then there's 2 antennas that can be used with these 2 antenna sockets. And also a few LED signals on the box on the power and data and roaming features. Okay, that's all for this time. Thanks, and see you next time. Bye bye.